Hello YouTube, I'm doing a test between two types of smoke detectors. When the one on the right here is a ionization detector, the one on the left here is a photoelectric. The reason why I have them rotated kind of weird is I'm trying to get the sensors to face each other right in this little area here, which is where I'm going to say match off and blow smoke into that general direction. So just remember, the one on the left is the ionization. The one on the left is the photoelectric, and the one on the right is the ionization detector. So. That was the ionization detector right there. So, waiting on this one here. Not sure if you can hear that, but that was our cuckoo clock. It's flashing quite frequently, so I think it does detect that there's some smoke in the chamber, but there's not enough for it to sound an alarm off yet. So I'm going to try again. That time I blew smoke directly into it. There you go. You can see the light on it. It's alarming. So that was a quick test. I'll try it once more to see if the smoke didn't just mess the photoelectric detector a little bit. So I'm going to try that again. So that was the ionization type detector again. And here goes the photoelectric was just flashing second there. Now this isn't saying that photoelectric detectors are bad. Photoelectric detectors do respond faster to slow smoldering fires than ionization detectors do. But ionization detectors respond to faster flaming fires faster. So it's best to have both, but in this case, the ionization detector wins. So I do recommend you have both types in your home though. Have a good day, YouTube.